Ever wondered how to make the perfect cold brew coffee at home? Well, it's simpler than you might think, and the results are absolutely worth it. Imagine savoring a smooth, refreshing cup of coffee brewed to perfection by you, right in your own kitchen. To start this delightful journey, you'll need a few essentials. Firstly, you'll need coarsely ground coffee beans. The grind is crucial, as it will play a significant role in the extraction of flavors. Next, you'll need cold water. This isn't called cold brew for nothing, after all. Then, you'll require a jar or pitcher. This is where the magic happens, where the water and coffee will mingle and infuse. To separate the brew from the grounds, you'll need a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. And finally, for those who like a hint of something extra in their coffee, consider flavorings like vanilla or cinnamon. Once you've gathered your essentials, you're ready to embark on the journey of making the perfect cold brew coffee. The process of making cold brew coffee might seem complex, but it's actually quite simple. So let's delve into the steps of creating that perfect cold brew. It all starts with the beans. Choose quality over quantity and consider medium to dark roast to achieve a rich, bold flavor. Feel free to experiment with different origins and blends until you find your personal favorite. Once you've chosen your beans, it's time to grind. Aim for a coarse consistency similar to breadcrumbs. This will help extract the flavors without over-extracting, resulting in a smoother brew. Next, we'll mix the coffee with water. In a jar or pitcher, combine 1 part coffee grounds with 4 parts cold water. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the grounds are saturated. Remember, you can adjust this ratio based on your preference for strength. Now comes the waiting game. Seal your container and let it steep at room temperature for anywhere between 12 to 24 hours. This slow extraction process allows the flavors to fully develop, leading to a robust and nuanced brew. Once the steeping time is up, it's time to strain. Using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, strain your brew into a clean container. This will remove the grounds and any sediment, leaving you with pure, delicious cold brew. At this point, your cold brew is a concentrate and can be quite potent. Dilute it to your desired strength with water or milk. Serve it over ice and feel free to add any flavorings or sweeteners to taste. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. While it's best enjoyed fresh, it'll still maintain its quality for a little while. The beauty of cold brew is in its versatility. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try different beans, ratios, and flavorings to discover your signature blend. The journey to the perfect cup is half the fun. Remember, the key to the perfect cold brew lies in the details. So take your time and enjoy each step of the process. After all, good things come to those who wait. Now that you've mastered the art of cold brew coffee, it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Take a moment to savor the smooth, refreshing taste of your homemade brew. Each sip is a testament to the time, care, and love you've poured into the process. Don't forget, coffee is about personal preference. Don't be afraid to experiment with different beans, brewing times, and flavorings. Maybe you prefer a hint of vanilla or a dash of cinnamon. The world of coffee is your oyster. And what about the leftovers? Well, cold brew coffee is the gift that keeps on giving. Store any remaining brew in the refrigerator and it can be enjoyed for up to 2 weeks. Just remember, it's best savored fresh, so don't hold back. And there you have it, the art of crafting the perfect cold brew coffee. With a little patience and a lot of love, you'll be brewing like a pro in no time. Cheers.